The Daily Code Snippet. First, we will present an overview of the basics to making a website accessible, and then we will go into more detail on how to accomplish each. Add alternative or alt text for every image, video, or audio. Alternative text is a description of the media that allows those with disabilities to read or hear the content they are not able to view. The object should be described and its purpose on the site explained. Add transcripts for all video or audio content. Transcripts help the hearing impaired understand content that would not be available to them otherwise. Clearly state the language on your site in the header code. This helps those using text readers by identifying the language. It helps the text reader to function accordingly. Offer an alternative or suggestion if a user encounters an input error. Sometimes those with disabilities encounter errors when trying to navigate your site. Offering suggestions helps them navigate the content. Make sure your website has a consistent and organized layout. Menus, links, and buttons should be clearly defined and easy to navigate. Any link should be clearly labeled with descriptions that tell the user what will happen if the link or button is clicked. Good markup is key to making your website accessible. Learning to build your website with clean code that is easy to understand and proper makes your content available to your users. Consider consulting an attorney who specializes in disability law anytime you are concerned that you are not doing enough with regards to ADA compliance. Although we can help you get on the right track, this is not a substitute for legal advice. Writing good alternative or alt text takes practice. Alt text is meant to be descriptive, and the typical use case is someone who is visually impaired using a screen reader. One needs to visually describe the image so that the user is able to understand the content of an image. In contrast, the title or caption is used to indicate the relevance of the image to the topic at hand. So as an example, we have this image here. An example of alt text for this image would be a stonewall sculpture snaking around trees at the edge of a stream. In contrast, the title could be more concise. Andy Goldworthy's sculpture at the Storm King Art Center in New York. What would you write as the alt text for this image? Write it in the comments below. Presented by Designers Learn Code.